Is your physical keyboard faulty, broken, or missing keys, and you need an emergency typing solution? Here is how to easily enable the built-in on-screen keyboard in Windows 10 using only your mouse. First, navigate to the bottom left corner of your desktop, click on the Windows Start menu icon, and then click the gear-shaped Settings icon. Once the Settings window opens, click on the Ease of Access category, which features a circular clock-like icon. Next, look at the menu on the left side of your screen. Scroll down slightly until you find the Interaction section and click on Keyboard. At the very top of the keyboard settings page, you will see an option that says Use the on-screen keyboard. Simply click the toggle switch underneath it to turn it on. Instantly, a fully functional virtual keyboard will pop up on your screen. You can click and hold the top bar to drag it anywhere on your screen, or drag its corners to resize it. When you're done using it, simply click the X icon in the top right corner to close it. If this quick Windows tip helped you out of a sticky situation, please give it a like and subscribe for more fast tech tutorials.